What's up, Tech? It's Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to do my gaming review on the new S3 Pro from Umidigi. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this phone retails for about $300 right now. If you guys do want to go ahead and pick this up, the affiliate link will be in the description and in the comments down below. So just know if you do use that link, I am getting a little kickback from that always supports the channel. So I really appreciate it. But we're going to test out 3 games right here, and the 3 games are Temple Run 2, Mortal Kombat, and we have PUBG Mobile. We're going from the least graphic intensive game all the way to the most graphic intense game, and I'm really excited to see how this is going to run. Now with the S3 Pro, the processor that we have in here is the MediaTek Helio P70. We do have 6 gigabytes of internal RAM, and I'm really excited to see how this is going to run right now. Let's get straight into it. So the first game that we have right here is Temple Run 2. Pretty sure this is going to run pretty great actually. I did play some other games like this that are low graphic intensive games, and they run absolutely amazing. The speaker on this device is also good as well, which is something else I have to take into account when playing a video game because it is part of the experience. But so far, as you guys see, it's been playing really smooth. But let's see how this goes. Everything is definitely buttery smooth. Looks like we have no glitching on this low of graphic game. But yeah, so far looking good. So yeah, running great so far. Definitely runs amazing with Temple Run 2. Alright guys, so next game we're going to be trying out right here is Mortal Kombat. Now I really do enjoy this game. Fighting games are honestly probably some of my favorite games next to RPGs. But let's go ahead and try this out, see how it works, and see how this goes. So far graphics look great though. Speaker is great as well. Definitely better than most mid-range devices so far. I would say the speaker is probably a nicer part of this phone, as well as the screen. And yeah, this game's running great so far. Let's go ahead and switch out to Ashtik. Get a combo on him. Oh, so we took them all out right there. As you guys see, very nice graphics on this game as well. If you guys do want to download this is 100% free on the Play Store. As you guys see, runs great on the S3 Pro. Other thing I wanted to note really quick, as you guys see right there, we have Mortal Kombat. We do get notification bubbles on the application, so just noting that really quick. And now let's go ahead and try PUBG Mobile. Alright everyone, so we have PUBG next right here. Let's go ahead and go into the settings. Just verify that our graphics are on the highest of high. As you guys see, it goes up to HD. We're on frame rate high. And we actually can't go up to HDR for some reason. It says this option will be available on your device soon, so hopefully soon. But as you guys see, we can go up to HD and then we can go on high frame rate. Let's see how this runs on these graphics though. Alright, so we're in the plane so far and it looks like it's flowing pretty smoothly right here. Let's go ahead and drop out and see how this runs though, see if we can get a few kills and maybe even a win if possible. So far, shadowing is really good though. As you guys can see, graphics look really nice so far. Definitely surprising me. I didn't think it was going to be running this good. Obviously we have to get a weapon, see how this runs once we start getting into some action. There's a guy right there. Let's go ahead and run away real quick. Alright guys, so there's another dude right here. See if we can fire off on him. There you go, he's dead. Let's go ahead and take his stuff out. Ooh, look at that helmet right there. Let's loot all his stuff. See if we can get one more kill though. Definitely runs super good so far, and I haven't seen really any glitching. This Umidigi phone has probably been the best Umidigi phone for gaming so far that I've ever used, so really nice stuff from Umidigi here. Alright, so there's another guy right there. Let's go ahead and aim in and see how this works. Another dude over here. Bottom, where's he at? Another kill, 3 kills right here. The other thing is this phone is ceramic, so when it does heat up, it is kind of hot on the back, right around near the camera. So it does feel a bit hot when playing right now, actually. And I've been playing for about, I'd say 10 or 12 minutes on this phone. But yeah, it doesn't get insanely hot, but you still feel some sort of heat right here. He's running. You can't run, bud, once you start shooting at me. cute. Hey there, buddy. How you doing? Bye-bye. So 5 kills so far. Definitely a playable game. But yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys see you can play this. Graphics look good so far. Only con about this phone so far when I'm playing video games is that the back of the phone does get hot. So just know that this phone is going to get a little hot when you are playing graphic intensive games. But yeah guys, other than that, the S3 Pro has been working great for me. Definitely love the phone so far as gaming goes. But yeah, if you guys have the S3 Pro, definitely talk about it in the comments down below. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also, hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.